Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to add garment images to our proofs. So I've got my order open here and I've already got all my base information in my template. So the next thing we're going to do is add those garment photos. So this is our SKU right here. We're going to copy this, and sometimes there's a link here to the vendor. This order does not have one, so we're just going to go straight to that vendor in another tab. These are a Sanmar garment. So we'll just paste that SKU in there, and then these are white, so we'll click onto the white one. We're going to click See Product Details, and that will take us to see more images. I'm going to click on the front, and I'm going to right click it and copy. When I come back over here to my template, I'm going to click on this thing that says front image. This will take me down to our garment photos layer so that they're behind any of the design layers, so that our graphic will show up on top of it. And I'm just going to paste this on there. Then I'm going to shrink it down so that it fits here. And what we're looking for on this is we want the top of the shoulders at this top line. For garments with collars, that collar is going to be above. For t-shirts and stuff like that, it'll dip below it. And then we want the bottom of the garment here at this bottom line. Things like dress shirts and some ladies' polos that have a curved hem, you'll just line it up so that that straight edge here lines up with it, and then that curve will dip below. So then I'm going to do the same thing with my back image. Drop that in there. And then we're ready to start the next step.